Hello and welcome back to another video of the B29 series. Today I want to try to do a couple of trials about wing structure. So what I am going to do, I'm going to hide whatever I don't need. So let's start on having the full wing. This is the full wing. Has been stitched together. What I want to try to do, I want to just cut a section. So I am going to construct a plane. From that plane, and I'm going to do about 110. I need to do much. And from here, I'm going to split the body, and I'm going to use that for splitting. So another one, that one, so I can close the other one. So I want to use this little section to try two different kind of internal structure. So the first one I want to try, which is going to be the quickest one, is going to be a solid object. You create a solid object like so. So we got this solid object here, and you're going to print as it is with a very little infill. So let's export, and let's say B29 wing test infill. And the other one is going to be where's that one? Yeah, I can use that one actually. And do the same. I do modify offset face. I do -0.6. Oh, sorry, no. Before I do that, I Control copy, Control V. I put the second one. So this is the test, and then this is the test 0.6. So I hide that one, and I am going to offset faces -0.6. Let's put some appearance in there, so we know what are we looking. And what do we have here? Oh, What color shall I use? I am going to use a, I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter. Let's pick one. For this kind of green. So I have the original one, which is that one, and then I've got the test 06. As you can see, we got a little bit of offset there. Oh. So now for the second test, I'm going to create a sketch on this base here, and I'm going to create a 3-point arc. And I am going to do that. Then I'm going to offset this one of a mil. And now I'm going to close. Oh, actually, I don't need to do it now. I need to do the pattern first. So I am going to select those two, and I am going to create a pattern. And we use a pattern to go this way. Let's have a look. That looks. We put 6. I put that one there. So now I can put a line there. I can put a line there. And I can start to cut all those. And okay, finish sketch. Now I start from the top. I'm gonna hide that one. I'm gonna hide all of them. Select all of them. Extrude. And put back the test, and we're going to extrude it up there, and we're going to select new body. Okay, now we can see that the section are intersecting the profile, the wing. So what I'm going to do now, we're going to do split body. Body to split is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the splitting tool is going to be that one here. And I press OK. So now I can delete the one I don't need. And we do that way. And we do that way. Okay, that looks good there. So if I put the test back in, and I'm going to give a 50% opacity, you can see we have a structure there. So now what I want to do, I want to do a 45 45 degrees, well, not 45, a mirror version, basically. So look, this one, they're running like this. I want to do something that run like that. So a reverse section. Let me go and find this sketch. That was the sketch. So let's see if I create another sketch on the same plane. And if I create another arc, and this time I can start from here, coming down here, and we can do something similar there. I don't think I need a sketch actually. And now we offset that one, select that, create a rectangular pattern, and we go in this way. How many did I do it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did 6 of those. Let's see if it can work more or less the same. I think like this is looking it's looking good. And back, pull that one up. And that. So now I can do the cutting. Like this, and I'm going to finish the sketch. Hide that one. Select them all. Extrude. Pull it up. That's enough. New body. Okay. And now I have new body there. And do the same. Split the body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And that is the splitting tool. Press OK, and that should have been split. So that one can go, that one can go. That one can go. Okay, need to do another split. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't know why this time it didn't work. Split into, we can split with that, and we can split with that. Press OK, and we got that one, and go. That one can go. That one can go. Go. Remove. And remove. Perfect. Now we can put all those together and we have a sparse section. And that is good like this. What we could do, what we should do is to make bit of a hollow lightweight. So I am going to do a sketch. Let me try if I do a sketch on this plane. And I can, from there, I can create, let me project that point, and we could project another point. So let me run that this one for now, and we do a circle center diameter. So we're gonna make some random circle, so we can kind of make things lighter. Another one here somewhere. I can do another one like that. Finish the sketch. Let's see what I have actually accomplished. Edit the sketch once more. Remove that line. Finish. And we can do something like this. I mean, you can tweak this as you like. I'm just showing you some quick way, although not very good, but for now it's fine. It's only a test, and we cut, and we have some holes there to make the things lighter. What we can do, we could do one set of holes here, then you could repeat the same process on the other side, and you can loft it, and then you have the hole that follow the angle of the wing. In this case, I just want to show you how quickly you can do a remove mass from the wing. from the wing. So we got this one done. So I think what we could do now is we could combine them all, and we can have the target body, the house shell, and then everything else can be combined. And we do join. Don't need to keep the tools. Let's see what's happening. I think I have done something wrong. Okay. So if I opacity control 100%, so here I have hide that one. So that's what I need to do it. I need to combine. Target body is this one, tool body is this one. We cut, we keep the tools. Now I have, okay, the hollow body there. Now I can put back my wings, not my wings, my structure. Yeah, I could have done better these hollow bodies, but it's okay, it's okay. So right now I want to combine. That is the target body, and then the tool bodies are all the rest. I don't want to cut, I want to join them. I don't need to keep the tool, and I press OK. Now I have a full solid body section of the wing. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're done up to here. So we're gonna go to File, we're going to export. We're going to export as a 3MF, and we call it B29. How do you call it? I'm gonna call it spar. Oh, I forgot the name. I forgot. Oh, ribs. B29 rib test. We export, and the export is complete. Now we can open Bamboo Studio. Let me bring it over here. I am already printing a section with the infill. So I got a 3% infill with this kind of pattern, the zeroed pattern. So if you look, if you look at this one, So this is the same kind of sketch I have done earlier, but I am using, it's a solid part from Fusion, but I'm using a 3% infill. So I want to test what strength and what weight we have between the two option, because at the end of the day, if these looks to be strong enough and light enough, it's a much easier way to modeling the airplane, because then you don't have to do all what I have just shown you. You just create a solid body, you split it to the size of the printer you want, and then you print it with the smallest infill you think is good for it. And then so you can cut spaces into the wing for the servos, for the wheels, etc. For anything you want, you can cut into the solid body, and then you adjust the wall to suit, and then you just do fill the rest with a small percentage of infill. So we'll see. I never tried that. I'm not sure if other people do this. So to me, it's just new. So this is the one with the infill, and it takes about 1 hour and 42 minutes. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to delete what I have there, and I'm going to put the one we have created, and what we have here, perfect, and we are going to lay on a face. Hopefully this is good enough, and then we're going to rotate 45, just enough to do it. And what we have here, we just reset what we had. I'm using the draft because I don't really need good quality at the moment. I just want to check how that comes out. So let me see, wall loops 2. Let me to lie this way and see. I may have over 45 degrees. Hopefully it should be okay. So in this way, how long it takes? This takes 4 hours, 80 grams. The other one I think was 72. But let me see how that looks like. I've got 2 walls. I have 2 walls. If I put 1 wall, let's slice it. Still 4 hours 36, 79 grams. I may have done too steep, too flat. I should have done probably more more vertical, because here we're going almost flat and I'm not sure if it's gonna print properly. So okay, but as a test, right, let me see. The other one, so the other one would be this one is the same dimension. The one I'm printing is slightly larger. Lay and face that one, and we rotate it. Okay, and that robo infill was a 0.8. That was a 3% infill. Let's see. This gave me an hour and 30 minutes, and it gave me about 10 grams less. Let me see if I can do top shell 0. See, without the bottom and top layers, it's gonna give me an hour and 10 minutes, and it's gonna go down to 56. So probably I want to try this one as well. Even if I may do the bottom shell, I probably do the bottom shell about 2. I give up your strength, and I can actually create some holes for lining up the two parts. If that is the case, if I need to do the holes I need to do 2 top shot there. Let's have a look. 66. So it's not too bad. 66 grams. It seems reasonable. So for today, I think that is the lesson. It's the video. No, actually a lesson. I will now go and print these 2 different tests, and I will show you the results once they are done. It's going to take about a few hours, so we'll see you in a bit. Okay, so the printing is finished, although on this one I had a big spaghetti situation, as you can see from here, but also the print is not pretty nice. I think I need to change some slicer settings, or I need to do something different with the ribs. Also, they are too flat, so they are not actually coming nicely inside either. So this is a rework to be done, but it was going to take about 4.5 hours to do this one with 10-gram extra of filament. I think in comparison to the other one, so not sure if this is worth to do it. So on the other hand, when I try the solid body with the 3% infill, it came pretty good. Yes, I know maybe we can see the infill inside, but don't really mind. Normally you do paint the plane if you want to, so that could be, I think, a very simple solution. So if I want to make a box here to install the servo, for example, I can cut out on Fusion 360 the space into the solid body exactly for the servo, and then the slicer will keep that, will build walls around it, so you will have a space for the servo, and then all the rest will be infilled. To make the space stronger, what I'm thinking of is to make a kind of a rectangle, a square cut into the solid body, extrude that, take that cut out as a separate body, and inside that I cut the servo space, so I'll have a solid body to slot into the cutout of the wing, and then you glue it, so it becomes much stronger than just having the exact cutout for the servo and 2-3 walls around it. There won't be space there won't be any mean to screw it, so that it won't be strong enough. So if I do a bigger cutout, and within that cut, that box I'm cutting out, I'm cutting the space for the servo, that should make the part more solid and easy to print. So I think that's it for this video. I will have a play and see what we can do, and on the next video I'll show you what I'm planning to do. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.